friend, how are you? Today we are talking about how to meaningful and good conversation in English. It can be difficult to conversation in English, but we can practice and speak well. The truly connect with people and try to speaking in English. Whenever we learning a new skill, that time starting so many problems created, and we want to face it, and after that it make a better. Like that, we want to practice in every day and learn to how to truly listen is to become a better listener. And listener are terrible about the listening, and they don't listen well, and they don't understand the English. We are listening by so many ways, like audio, text, videos, Netflix, YouTube channels, etc. Whenever we are practicing speaking in English, the create your automatically vocabulary in your mind, and try to speaking. Suppose I listen a word, I like ice cream. I take it this word and I change it, like I like ice cream, I like football, I like America, etc. Now we are changing this word or changing this tense. I can so many ways use this word. I like ice cream, I liked ice cream, I will liked ice cream, I used to ice cream, and I have ice cream. So many ways the tense. It can be so many ways you practicing and speaking in English. You practice it and speak well. All the best. Thank you.